Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I will be discussing some of the very important points regarding your upcoming CSIR Net exam preparation. So in that case, if you are the one who is preparing for the upcoming CSIR Net exam or even for the GATE exam, this video will be helping you a lot. Or for any other similar exam, if you are doing the preparation, this video can help you a lot in that case, and you can watch this video till the end. So guys, as we all know that we are having the vast syllabus for our CSIR Net exam, for the GATE exam and other similar exams. So in that case, if we are doing the preparation for the upcoming exams and for any of these exams, whatever we are preparing, whatever we are covering, we also need to make a good command on all those things. And for that, it's very important that whatever we are memorizing, like we are preparing, we need to memorize it at the same time. Okay, because there are so many things. So if we will keep them for the later time and we will be thinking like, okay, we will do it later on, we will memorize it later on, or we will work on it later on, so there will be so many things which will get pending in this way. And for that, like, if you will keep on doing the preparation in this way, you will have so many things remaining which you have prepared but you don't have command on them. So our target should always be that we need to make a good command on the things instead of just preparing them. Okay, so now we will be covering this thing in this video today, that how anybody can easily memorize some difficult points, difficult concepts, or how anybody can easily have a good command on the new, difficult, lengthy things, lengthy concepts in which we are having so many things to keep in mind. So how to make a good command or memorize things. Okay, make good command on the topics we are preparing, on the formula we are preparing. Okay, or how to easily memorize. Done. So that's the point we will cover up in this video today. I hope it will surely be helping you guys. Now, because we are having less time remaining before our upcoming exam, so I think this is the time when everybody is gonna be in that situation that if you are finding it difficult to memorize anything, you are gonna have a situation which is not good. Okay, so in that case, let's try to work on it. Let's try to have one approach or the method which we can follow to make the difficult things easy for us, and which we can follow to memorize the things easily or to make a good command on all those points. So what we will be doing in that way. So guys, here I would like to suggest you a thing that you can follow and you can work on it to prepare these important concepts and to work on these concepts. So that is flowchart. Now sometimes it happens that we are not familiar with the process, that how we can make the flowchart and how it can actually help us. Done. So for example, you can take any topic. Okay, I'll be taking the example of one topic of classical mechanics, and I will let you know that what actually you can do and how the flowchart can help you to make the good command on the difficult things, or to prepare them in such a way that you can easily relate one concept with the another one formula with the another one. You can relate the things with the situations directly, and it will be helping you a lot. So flowchart is one of those methods which can make the understanding of any topic or the difficult concept easy for you. Now, how you will be working on it and what are the steps you have to take, let's talk about those things. So for example, there is a topic you are gonna prepare, and the topic name first of all you need to consider. Let's take the topic from the classical mechanics part, and let's take that topic as Hamiltonian. So if I'm gonna take this example, I will be writing the topic name first of all. Done. And then I will consider, this is not actually a process which we will show with the flowchart, but this is actually the topics we will be preparing with the flowchart. Done. So topic name, and then like the branches of it. Done. Branches means what are the things we will be covering in the Hamiltonian topic, and what are the things which are having the great chances to be there in our upcoming exam. So it's not necessarily that you have to cover up or you have to write everything present in that topic here, but what are the most important ones, what are the most frequently asked topics or the subtopics of that particular topic, that's what you need to mention here. So Hamiltonian. In case of Hamiltonian, what will happen? So Hamiltonian related, first of all, you have to cover up the equation of motion. So this is one of the thing you have to cover up and you can't skip it. So you can write equation of motion. In the Hamiltonian topic, we are having the equations of motion. Okay, if you were not able to memorize everything related to that easily, now with the help of flowchart and by revising it again and again, you can easily do that preparation. And sometimes it's even gonna be possible for us. Hamiltonian was here, okay, like a kind of a story I will relate. So how I'm gonna relate the story? So Hamiltonian was the name of a person, okay, who wants to go from one place to another place. So for that, what you are gonna do? That person will be doing the movement, the motion will be there. So now when that person was staying at a place and now he wants to move, in that case what we will have, the equation of motion. Now Hamiltonian, as we know, it's a function of what? It's a function of q, that is generalized coordinate, and p, that is generalized momentum. So in that case you can say that these are the two friends of Hamiltonian. Okay, now in that case what will happen, that we are going to have the equation of motion. So we can simply note down the equation of motion here. After that we will be having the more concepts related to Hamiltonian. For example, the canonical transformation. So we will be considering the canonical transformation here. At the same time, now you can proceed further and other related topics you can write at this place. For example, you will be noting down generating function. So you will have everything at one single place and you will not have to go through the different pages in this way. So this is how you can cover up everything at the same time, and by doing the revision you will be able to make a good command on all these topics in very easy way. So this is one of the methods you can follow to memorize the topics, to prepare them in very less time, and to cover up the difficult things in very easy way. So I hope it will be helping you a lot to cover up many important topics in very less time for your upcoming exam. So this is how, guys, you can take these steps. You can start working on this thing, that you can make the flow chart, and there you will try to cover up each and everything even further. For example, in canonical transformation, we know that this is a condition related to Poisson bracket. If it will get satisfied, if it will get covered up, okay, if it will get satisfied, for example, the Poisson bracket of new set of coordinates, that is q with p, if it will be equal to 1, this is what? This is the condition of canonical transformation, okay, with respect to the old set of coordinates. So that's how, if you will consider these things, you will be able to have a look at everything at one place, and you will not have any kind of difficulty in finding different concepts at different places. So I hope it's gonna be helpful. I have just noted down few things here. You can extend it and you can note down more points at this single page, and this is how easily you can prepare any topic anytime in very easy way. Even if there will be some of the notes you want to write, okay, for example, there is some exception in any case, so at the same page you can note down those notes as well, you can note down those points as well, and that's how you will be able to consider everything at one place. Done? Even exceptions or anything, whatever is there, done. So that's how, guys, I hope it's gonna help you a lot to memorize difficult things in easy way. But for memorizing and to make a good command, you have to do the revision regularly, and that's how you will be able to do everything, and you will be able to cover up each and everything. So I hope each and everything is clear to all of you guys. But in case if you will have any questions, any queries, anything you want to ask, you can surely let me know about it, and we will try to consider those points. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this point. Now I would like to tell you something related to Unacademy Plus subscription as well. So I hope you all are familiar with this thing, that on Unacademy Plus we are going to have so many important courses, classes, and the well structured and well planned courses by the top educators which are going on and which will be starting soon. So in that case, if you want to join these well structured and the well planned courses by the top educators, and you want to attend the regular live classes by the top educators, so you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription. And whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you will even get the place to write the referral code. So there you can write the referral code, which is Anjali A Live. As you can see, it has been mentioned here on the screen. Even we are having the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying the referral code Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. The subscription is available for different duration. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. Depending on for how much time you want to take the subscription, you can select that and then you can proceed further to take the subscription. After taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation. One more thing guys, the subscription we are having on Unacademy Plus, Unacademy Learning app, we are having Plus and the Iconic, both the subscriptions available. So in the Plus subscription you will get these benefits, in the Iconic subscription you will get these benefits. So depending on this thing, that which subscription you want to take, you can select that and you can take that subscription. Okay, and whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali A Live, as it has been mentioned here on the screen. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything is clear to all of you, but in case if you will have any doubt anywhere, you can tell me about it. The new batches and the new courses for the other upcoming exams will even be starting on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to prepare for the further upcoming exams, okay, like further exams after the just recent one, even if you are preparing for the other exams, you can still take the subscription and you can start your preparation under the guidance of top educators. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.